We will be just starting in a while. Somajit wanted to, speak to everyone here. So in fact, we wish that your children could have also joined in, because I know the children are as worried as can be during these times. हम लोग सब तो worried है ही है, but the children also who are staying away and all, they have been calling up and they've been involved in everything. And I'm sure they would like to know. So in case any one of you wants to message your children also to join in.
I would like them to join.
Sorry, Geeta ji?
Sorry.
Right. So in case any one of you wants to have your children joining in, you can just send them a message. Link आपके पास है उसमें.
जो बाहर है, one who is abroad cannot join ना?
Why not? लिंक आपके पास है, कहीं से भी ज्वाइन करिए. Anywhere.
अच्छा, उधर से फिर लिंक दे देंगे तो he can join.
The same link works.
टाइम नहीं है.
If they are
अभी रात को 2 बजे है उधर, रात को 2 बजे.
स्वर्णा जी, मतलब I know सबके time zones different है, but we cannot accommodate them because we have to accommodate according to our Indian standard time. But जिनका भी टाइम जोन मैच कर रहा है, किसी का 11 बजे, किसी का 12, किसी के सुबह का 8,
मेरा 5 बजे का, मेरा बेटा का 5 बजे का टाइम है.
हाँ, so जिसको भी suitable है, please do request them to join in if you want them to. If it is difficult, the time zones are absolutely different. Like Swarna ji just mentioned कि 2 बजे है, obviously it's a difficult time for them to join in. So that is perfectly fine. But अगर किसी को बोलना चाहते तो please, मतलब what I wanted to say was that please let your children also join in. That's all.
Clarify the doubts. They can clarify the doubts.
Understand क्या हो रहा है, how we are, preparing to look after our EMOHA members. बहुत सारा अभी last 2.5 weeks have been absolutely crazy. The sudden surge has been like nobody, I think, anticipated it as such, to be very honest. I think January onwards, हम सबने सोचा that things are settling down. Vaccines आ गई हैं, हमारा first dose शुरू हो गया है, and by the time we get our second dose, things will stabilize. But unfortunately, when this thing happened about 15 to 16 days back, nobody anticipated. So was sudden panic, sudden chaos, and people falling sick, and nobody was really prepared for it. So yes, it has taken a while. It has kind of initially week. Hanji, Savita ji, just give me 2 minutes, please. Just give me 2 minutes, then you can. Right? अच्छा, आप नहीं बोल रहे. Somebody speaking. I don't know.
अरे very good, very good. वो लोग ना हमारे.
नीलिमा.
Okay, Nilima ji. So like I mentioned कि initially तो जैसे ही bombardment हुई, we were just helping out in whatever possible way we could. जैसे बस आती गई request, we kept doing whatever we had to do. Nobody had really planned out, but while we were doing that side by side, we also realized the need of the hour and how better, because infrastructure, hum sabko pata hai, it kind of literally crashed in India, especially Delhi. I don't think even the government was. Can I please request everyone to mute, please? So, so with all that, we kept managing, but as the infrastructure kept collapsing, we realized that things were not really working out. We started feeling very helpless, so we started designing new ways. And I think, though I know I'm an employee of EMOHA, but hats off to Somajit. Though he has been unwell, his parents have been unwell, but I don't think he slept for more than 2 hours. Literally speaking, 2 to 3 hours a day, trying to manage things so that our elders could be looked after. So I know a lot of questions, queries are there. What to do, how to do, what can we do? So personally, he wanted to address, since I have already mentioned about the isolation unit, etc., and the other things, but he just wanted to address everyone and pass on the message. You can also tell the other members who are, with us who do not really join MoTV, but अगर कोई किसी को जानता है, so
Ritu, one thing I'd like to ask you. Yesterday, I got a message that people are saying that as I am in Imoha, so they have informed me, one of a friend of mine informed me that Imoha people are going door to door in Delhi and giving vaccine. Is it true? I said, no, I have not heard about it.
not at all.
So
Not at all.
rumors are there. So many rumors are there.
Yes, but no, that's not true. Door to door, मतलब, I don't think none
Not
of us have-
possible.
yes, none of us have the bandwidth to do that. So definitely not.
I said I'll inquire it and let you know.
Anjani, that is definitely not true. Any help
Wrong
for the
information.
members? Yes, you can ask your relationship manager. And ladies and gentlemen, anytime that you all have a doubt, you know, for example, if your relationship manager does give you an answer, and अगर आपको फिर भी लगता है कि क्या आप ये कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, आपके मन में और queries है, which you feel a little unsatisfied with the relationship manager's answer. It can happen because despite knowing everything, कई बार शायद कहीं पे communication gap भी हो जाते हैं. So please do not hesitate to reach out the supervisors. If not the supervisors, then all of you know me. Please do put in a message or just give me a call and check up, or like we meet here. तो कोई भी query है, please do it, because last week also I had a query where there was, you know, a communication kind of a gap, क्योंकि relationship manager ने answer करा and you know, थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे एक disconnect सा हो गया. So in fact, my answer to the method, I am sitting here, you know, I head the operation. So anytime, you know, you get confused about something, or you feel ki no, you know, can we do this? Maybe we can find ways, maybe we cannot. I will not promise you everything, but understanding and knowing your concern, we can obviously address it in a better manner, right? So Savita ji, aap kuch पूछना चाह रही थी? Varna ji, I'll just come to you.
Good afternoon, Ritu.
Good afternoon, Savita ji.
रितु, मैं 1 वीक हुआ मुझे सेकंड वैक्सीनेशन लेके, तो
Sorry?
मेरे सेकंड वैक्सीनेशन के बाद थोड़ा तबीयत सही नहीं थी.
सविता जी, सेकंड वैक्सीनेशन के लिए
मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी लेने के बाद. तो मैंने अभी 3-4 दिन तक डेली इमरजेंसी कॉल करा, नॉट इन एरर ही चाहते रहा, नहीं लग रहा 1 वीक से.
पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट फिर भी आप मुझसे एक बार नंबर शेयर कर लीजिए, विल गेट इट चेक्ड अप. मे बी शायद
इमोहा ऐप के ऊपर का जो नंबर था ना, वो करी थी मैं.
नहीं, ऐप का नंबर या वो रेड बटन की बात कर रही हैं आप?
रेड बटन वाली.
हाँ जी, तो लेट मी क्लैरिफाई टू एवरीवन हियर कि जो इमोहा ऐप के ऊपर इमरजेंसी बटन है, वो तभी काम करेगा जब आप अपने ऐप को सिंक करेंगे हमारे केयर एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन सेंटर के साथ. तो उसमें आपको अपनी डिटेल्स भरनी पड़ती है, अग्री करना पड़ता है टू व्हाटएवर इज रिटन देयर. जैसे हम लोग कहीं भी व्हाट्सएप भी डाउनलोड करते हैं तो हमें करना पड़ता है ना, अलाउ दिस टू एक्सेस दिस, अलाउ. तो वो अलाउ एंड अग्री करने के बाद ही आप सिंक होंगी वहां पर. ओनली देन दिस इमरजेंसी बटन विल वर्क.
हाँ, वो कर दी थी, वो फिलअप किया था फॉर्म.
सो मे बी आपका पूरा शायद ना हुआ हो, तो एक बार उसको रीचेक कर लेंगे. लेट योर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर नो, शी विल गेट इट चेक बाय द टेक्निकल.
बुखार आ रहा था, उसको भी फीवर है 2-3 दिन से, तो वो करती है.
और अगर आप मैसेज डालेंगे सविता जी, इफ शी इज नॉट ऑन लीव, she will get it coordinated. If she's on leave, another ERM would have been allotted to you for the time being, because a lot of our relationship managers also have been COVID positive, yet they've been working in fever and etc. But जब ज़्यादा हो जाता है, because if the whole family is affected, so we have kind of, you know, moved on. Like अगर किसी की 1 हफ्ते की छुट्टी है, so for that much time we have allotted some other relationship manager to you.
और एक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन चैटिंग में 2 मैसेजेस छोड़े थे, चेक किए नहीं किए पता नहीं.
सविता जी, किसको? यहाँ पर
नहीं, इमोहा की उसमें चैट आता है ना नीचे, उसमें.
So I'm sure it would have been read and addressed. I will, अगर आप बताएंगी तो I will get it checked up, right? So somebody just asked me, Swarna ji, yes, you had a question. हाँ जी, पूछिए Swarna ji.
Whatever, Shomuji,
So we are eager to hear you.
YouTube.
will it come in so that I can send it to my son also, the link?
Sorry, Swarna ji, I didn't hear you. Please, could you repeat?
Whatever it Somojit will be telling now, so if I can get the link, I can send it to my son and he can.
Yes, this session is being recorded. So the moment this is done on priority, we will get this uploaded on YouTube. Right?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
So, we needed to get some tests done for my mother on an urgent basis, and there was some problem. The person had to, we got them done from, through him only. We asked a relationship manager to get everything organized. It was on leave.
I will, ma'am. I'll just share my number on the chat box. If we speak to, if you can speak to me personally, I will answer that query, right? So I think Somajit has joined in. Yeah, I'll just share it. Just give me 5 minutes. I will do the needful. Yes, Somajit has joined in.
Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing? I hope.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Somojit.
Good also good to see.
You don't look well. You're not looking well.
Hear you.
आप कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. It is a little
Somajit, how is your family and all?
So just to share with all of your family, so let me just share with what is the status. So about, obviously, as you know, 8 or 10 days back, dad got positive, so I had to move into my dad's house, and then उनके 2-3 दिन बाद मेरे को भी I got obviously affected. Then mom got affected, our maid got affected. So parents के घर में 4-5 लोग हम लोग सारे they became COVID positive. My in-laws then, although they stay separately in Bhiwadi, उनको भी फिर COVID positive हो गए. So in together literally in about last 7 days, both father, mother and in-laws सबको हो गए. But touch wood, आप लोग सबकी blessings इतनी अच्छी है, everything is fine. My father-in-law had a very tough situation 3-4 days back, and I was struggling to get admissions and so on. बहुत मुश्किल से Artemis में we were able to get one ICU bed. He's still in ICU. He's still not out of danger. So still in difficult situation. But this is a very difficult time for all of us. It's not just for myself. I think each one of us have personal stories of how we've lost family, friends, and so on. I can't even tell you right now while I'm sitting in front of you, elders who have passed away, who are Imoha elders, their pictures come to my mind, and I feel so awful about it. But that is a reality right now. We have some wonderful elders who have been Imoha members from the beginning. जो आज हमारे साथ नहीं है, but they will always be there with us. They'll always be, very beautiful members of the family. And therefore, 10 days back, when we were losing so many elders almost daily, शहर में तो सुन ही रहे थे, but even within the community, I was seeing, 1, 2, 3 करके, people were passing away. Obviously, as an organization, we felt that we had to do something. And that is how we started making calls to see if we can create an isolation hub, which is, kind of the first preference being Imoha members itself. So I am actually sitting in the isolation hub. So we created an isolation hub for about 60 members, 60 beds, and these are all beds which have oxygen concentrators along with it. For anybody who needs higher degree support, we've created 3 beds in the ground floor, which have, which are called high degree usage center. This is in Gurgaon in sector 29, and it is a Sarovar hotel which has got converted. I've hired 2 very senior ICU doctors, and I've hired 2 mid-level junior doctors who are managing the place. In all honesty, I feel that the doctors are very good. They've been able to, turn around the care for the limited number of people who are there in the place. Obviously, I moved in with my parents in this place, although the place was not ready. but it's very important that before anybody else moves into the place, I test it out myself. So parents and myself have been here with last 4-5 days now. All the beds have an oxygen concentrator, uncle, auntie. Each and every bed has a concentrator along with it. I had taken a decision to buy about 60 concentrators about 15 days back. All of that reached us in time. Obviously, this is something that people who are in the immediate NCR region, benefit from. But in other places, in other cities where the physical facility is not there, anybody needing any help and support, please keep reaching out to the team in whatever capacity we can, because supply constraints are very high. We will keep doing everything that is possible. But speaking about this particular facility, this is definitely managed and operated completely by us. I have hired a unit head who I know for many years, who used to be an ex-Max and Fortis employee and was with me in my Antara days. He's operating and sitting out of the facility. And after this 60 beds, I am very keen that I do another 60 beds so that we can go to about 120 beds immediately. I just don't want to see any of us, in the Imoha community, struggling for a bed or a concentrator and, giving up life and so on. It's just not done. So, आप लोगों को कभी कोई दिक्कत आएगी बेड की आएगी तो you know that you can reach out to Ritu and reach out to the team. मेरी सिर्फ आपसे गुजारिश है, I'll talk about it on how we can protect ourselves better. Because I think we are not doing, in some of these things, we are not doing it the right way. So let me just finish talking about the facility. Then I'll talk about what you can do to, take better care of yourself. And isme I'll be a little harsh and strict, much the same way as I am harsh and strict with my own parents. So please forgive me for being strict and harsh about it. But it is very important because अगर आप ignore करेंगे अपना health को, so this disease has no emotions. There is no place and there is no feelings. Everybody is getting trapped into it, and there is a certain amount of danger that is there. But it doesn't mean you have to have fear for COVID. COVID से घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जो मैंने पिछले बार भी बोला था 10 दिन पहले, इस disease से घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is a way, there is a method to the madness, but not being prepared for it, I don't think is a great idea. I think the fantastic thing that each one of you have done is to become an Imoha member. That itself is a very big preparation, because you know that kuch hoga, so you can reach out to us. But in the event, and somebody asked a question whether you can have a chartered flight, the answer is yes. We are tied up with Skyplane services. We've already evacuated more than 3 elders across the country who needed to be evacuated. Bhopal se Delhi mein evacuation last kiya tha through Sky Bubble, flight services. So these are things that we will do. If there is a problem, let us know. We will do it. And I am available for all of you in case you need to speak to me. Just let Ritu know. I'll figure out a way how we can do it. But the simple point is that this facility is dedicated to, elders. It is meant for elders, and by definition, what it means is that Imoha members will automatically get a preference. But the demand is extremely high, and therefore, if any of you feel that you want to avail the facility, I would urge that we take the facility now rather than later, because एक बार भर जाती है तो फिर it becomes difficult for us to, kind of take it up. I would love to have an opportunity to make it 1,000 beds, but all of you know that each bed with concentrator and equipments and BiPAP machine and everything costs almost like ₹1 lakh per bed. So I've been able to get CSR funding and raise almost close to about 1 crore from third-party sources so that this facility could get created. And that is how we are managing this. So इस जगह में आपके पास the way it has been done, जो बनाया गया है उसमें ये कि 3 वक्त का good quality food is served by the hotel. I am having the food for the last 4-5 days, so I can assure that while we are still trying to improve the food, कल ही मेरे को मॉम एंड डैड से झाड़ पड़ी है कि खाना को और अच्छा करो. मैं बोला मैं करूंगा और अच्छा. I'll keep fighting with the hotel team कि और खाना को और ठीक करो. But by and large, the food is a good quality food made in the hotel. It is not some food coming from outside. The doctors are handpicked by me. Both the ICU doctors are very good. They're handpicked by me. That's Dr. Rohit and Dr. Atul. Dr. Rohit was managing for the last 12 months. He's been an ICU COVID doctor. Dr. Atul has also been practicing in the COVID ICU space in Delhi. The junior doctors are also specialized in COVID from Fortis. तो ये 100% डेडिकेटेड है, सेंटर में है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि अगर मैं पुणे में हूँ, लखनऊ में हूँ, कहीं पे भी हूँ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप उनको एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते हो. On a 5-minute call, you can access any of the doctors. Any of you need to speak to any of the doctors. You can immediately reach out to your ARM. We will organize a call so that you have access to the best of clinical support. I don't want a situation that any of you will ever have to think कि डॉक्टर से बात करना है, हमें पता नहीं किससे बात करना है. वो बाहर के साथ हो सकता है. You are part of the family. You will not have that, you will not have that trouble ever. Coming to oxygen and cylinders, because cylinders are in extremely short supply, we've been able to keep roughly about 5 large 45-liter cylinders right here in the basement, in the hotel basement. भगवान न करे सिलेंडर की जरूरत पड़े, but अगर oxygen levels are above, SpO2 levels are above 90, the license allows us to only take in people whose SpO2 levels are above 90. क्योंकि ये होटल है, ये हॉस्पिटल नहीं है, तो हम लोग इसको हॉस्पिटल की तरह ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. दिस इज नॉट अ मेदांता और अ फोर्टिस और अ मैक्स और अ कोलंबिया एशिया. हमने इसकी पार्टनरशिप फोर्टिस के साथ करा दिया है ताकि अगर कभी फोर्टिस में कोई जरूरत पड़े तो फोर्टिस के साथ कर सकते हैं. But as all of you know, whether it is hospitals in Delhi or hospitals in Gurgaon, we know the people well, and therefore in case any help is required, we can speak to them. But by and large, hospitals are saying no for hospital beds right now. That has been consistently the case. But in case somebody is SpO2 above 90, no major complications, I would recommend, and this is the call I took for my mom and dad, that situation had not come down to below 90. COVID positive थे, लेकिन COVID positive में उनका नंबर 93, 94 था. Dad का नंबर भी 94, 95 था. अब उनका नंबर 91 है. So it's kind of slightly coming down. They're on their 9th or 10th day. So it is not oxygen or oxygen concentrator which is helping them. It is actually a very, very, very proper clinical monitoring which is helping them. जब सुबह शाम डॉक्टर का विजिट हो रहा है, नर्सिंग विजिट्स हो रही हैं, वाइटल्स आर बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड प्रॉपर्ली, द लैब टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग आर बीइंग मैनेज्ड प्रॉपर्ली, मच द सेम वे एज इट विल गेट डन इन अ हॉस्पिटल. That itself is changing the game. And unless and until, come in. Why don't you come here and so that's हमारी पूरी कम्युनिटी साथ में है. बताओ अपने बारे में.
भाई सर पर्सनल हुआ.
अच्छा ना. ठीक है, क्या करना है सर? बहुत अच्छे नर्सेज आए, मतलब इन एन एनवायरनमेंट वेयर नर्सेज आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड. वी वर एबल टू फाइंड 12 नर्सेज हु आर ट्रेन्ड इन कोविड केयर मैनेजमेंट. कोविड केयर मैनेजमेंट में जब ऑक्सीजन लेवल नीचे जाती है तो प्रोनिंग पोजीशन से लेके ऑल द राइट थिंग्स इज समथिंग दैट people are trained to do. So leave the complexity. If you think that you are COVID positive and you want to move in, because 97, 98 पे अभी आप हैं, लेकिन बाद में पता नहीं 97, 98 से it can suddenly drip to a smaller number. And this is something that I have seen in most of the cases. क्योंकि ये COVID का जो latest strain है, इसमें the unpredictability is very high. So you may be at a higher number. बट ये एक फॉल्स इल्यूजन है कि SpO2 लेवल 97 है तो सब कुछ ठीक है. ऐसा है नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है. एल्डर्स में खासकर कोमॉर्बिडिटीज के वजह से a situation can suddenly dip into a lower number. So rather than waiting for that, I would strongly urge that अगर COVID positive है, RT-PCR results are showing it's positive, then I would urge, like I've pushed my parents that you should move in. It doesn't matter. I know that we are not charging anything beyond cost. whatever is the cost is being charged. People are charging 10, 12, 15,000 rupees per night. We've taken in whatever is the cost of the nurse, the cost of the concentrator, the facilities, and just divided it by the number of rooms. So it's a 7,000 rupees per bed and 10,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees for a couple. And it includes the food, it includes the doctor visits, it includes the nursing coordination, obviously the PPE kits and everything that are there for the nurses and everything. When you come in, it is advisable that either you get in your own steam inhalers and anything that is required. But in the event that you already have it with you, you don't need to buy it from the pharmacy downstairs. We set up a pharmacy also downstairs. ताकि सब चीज एक ही जगह में हो, इधर उधर भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. घर में कमरे में आप अगर अकेले हैं या हस्बैंड वाइफ अकेले हैं तो वहां पे कैसे सामान लाना है, नर्स कहाँ से आएगा, कॉन्सेंट्रेटर कैसे चलाते हैं, कॉन्सेंट्रेटर खराब हो गया कौन ठीक करेगा, all these hassles is not meant for you. Leave that hassles to us. We can manage those hassles, but get in early. The mistake that my father-in-law के साथ जो हुआ था was that the test happened very late. Although I kept telling him कि कर लो, but it happened late. And if you do the test late, then it is possible that you are asymptomatic. हो सकता है कोई बीमारी नहीं है, you are absolutely fine, but अंदर से the lungs is getting affected. So अगर आपके HRCT स्कोर में वो नंबर आती है कि 14 हो गया, 15 हो गया, 18 हो गया, आपको पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन आपका HRCT स्कोर ज्यादा आ गया है क्योंकि आपने टेस्ट ही नहीं कराया. So simple point is, don't worry. The facility is operational, and it has literally got done in the last 7 days that that I have been COVID positive. So this is what I've been doing while I've been COVID positive, setting up this place. And all of you are welcome to use this place. We've also invested into 5 ambulances in the Gurgaon region just to boost the space. It's not like in other cities or other towns. We can't buy hundreds of ambulances. But we've dedicated a more dedicated team to see that any requests coming from other parts of the country are managed well. Anybody needing any tests, anybody needing any medicines, they can directly coordinate with the ERM, your virtual daughter, and she will essentially coordinate for medicine supply and so on. So any questions regarding this facility? Happy to take on questions. Market is very commercial, so we stayed away from it. No 15-day minimum, no 10-day minimum. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I think we have a 7-day advance. So if it's a 1 bed, 7,000 rupees per bed, it's a 49,000 rupee advance. And with that you can move in. अगर आप 3 दिन में ठीक हो जाते हो तो the money gets adjusted and we can move back. But I think it's very important to understand that if the oxygen levels are low, अगर किसी के oxygen levels are without any oxygen support, it is above 90, it's fine. But with oxygen support, अगर मान लीजिए 89, 90 है, so the place will not be able to take it because it is not designed for high degree usage. We will have to figure out a way to help you at home or in a hospital. Rashmi ji, go ahead. Please ask the question.
Swamiji, thank you so much. With folded hands, I thank you. And I also salute you. You, even after being unwell yourself, you're taking this initiative. What I want to know is that I'm very far from Gurgaon, right? And I'm here in Ghaziabad, which is near Noida. So,
No problem.
is the ambulance going to cater me till here, or do I have to own it?
हाँ, मैं खुद ही आके लेके आऊंगा आंटी, कोई चिंता नहीं है. गाड़ी चला के लेके आऊंगा, आपको खुद ही लेके आ जाऊंगा, कुछ चिंता मत करो.
Hello, hi Swamijit, Rita Kakkar from Noida now.
Yeah, just wanted to finish that question. Rashmi ji, any other?
So what I want to know is that ambulance equipped with oxygen?
Ambulance are oxygen ambulances. So in general, there are oxygen ambulances, but with the 5 that we've taken are oxygen ambulances. Again, just reach out to your ERM, they will coordinate for anything that is required. Rita ji, aap bataiye.
Hi Swamijit, we have recently joined and we are very, very happy.
Thank you, aunty.
I mean, the kind of efforts you are making. And
Aunty, you're on mute.
Can I say something, please, Swamiji?
sorry.
Yes, Bishan, just one.
Really
Okay,
blessed
sorry, I
to be
beg your pardon.
connected like this.
So Rita aunty, we didn't get your question. Feel free. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I'll cancel everything in my day till the time all your questions are answered. I'm not going away. So
Just to remind you, I'm from Ranchi, now settled in Noida. If you have old memories. And
oh my God!
For long, I wanted to be connected to you. I've been following all your attempt.
Ma'am, how are you doing?
Yes. I've been waiting to see you.
What is so small?
I've been blessing you every single day, Swamiji. And your father and your parents also. I was waiting for meeting today.
So just to introduce everybody, ma'am is my school teacher from Ranchi. I grew up in Ranchi and she taught me. So nice. Salute ma'am. Salute. So nice to have you with us.
I always salute Ranchi children. Wherever they are really doing us proud. And you are blessed from our side, definitely.
But this is because of teachers like yourself. So teachers like yourself and principals like Rashmi aunty are the reason why this country is what it is. So salute to you. Please stay safe. Anything that you need in Ranchi, you know very well that we will figure out a way.
We'll figure out something. Now we are settled in Noida.
Perfect.
And I've been following every post you have made on Facebook or YouTube about Emoha. I've been chasing you. And now finally I'm here with the family.
Our both the children are away abroad. So we are alone.
Don't worry, we are your kids right now. We enjoy. We are all 150 people. We enjoy it. हमें आप काम दो, उल्टे सीधे काम दो. उल्टे सीधे काम देना. पंखा नहीं चल रहा है, टीवी नहीं चल रहा है, मेड नहीं आया, अटेंडेंट नहीं आया. उल्टे सीधे काम दीजिए. हमें बहुत मजा आता है उल्टे सीधे काम.
I wish my children had joined, but we could not do it. US timing is different and daughter cannot. So if they could, I would be really very, very happy. And thank you for everything, Samaj.
My pleasure. Take care. Visham uncle, you wanted to say something.
Namaskar, sir.
Visham uncle, you were saying something?
Yeah. Yes, Abhijit. As you know, I live in Pune. And
of course.
If I have an emergency, how is it handled? Suppose my oxygen level drops down. Getting to Delhi is going to be an impossible job. So is there anything...
So, Bisham, for other cities, the way I see it is that very aggressively I am pushing for, kind of local partnerships with the local hospitals and so on, because obviously it will not be possible for us to set up similar facilities everywhere. But for every place which are the local established COVID isolation hubs, because COVID isolation hubs are coming up literally as we speak across the country. So, Uplabdh in my team is building that database. I am part of the National Working Committee for Senior Care, where we are talking of how more such kind of hubs can be created. So, खुदा ना करे अगर ऐसा कुछ हो, so immediately within your vicinity areas, we will try and find out something that is there, and with ambulance support and so on, should be able to.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
This is Rajni Verma's daughter. Actually, I would like to know that as there is a shortage in Delhi for oxygen cylinders and also, how are you managing? Like if the oxygen really drops below 90, so do you provide oxygen cylinders or concentrators? And will there be enough cylinders so that, people can recover fast?
Rajni ji, last we've been unable to, we are not an oxygen supplier, we are not a concentrator supplier. We third parties who do that for a living, and because they have not been able to deliver, I have lost so many, very close elders where पहुंचा ही नहीं oxygen, So unfortunately, this is not something we can do much. But the fact is that with every supply that is coming in, the team is working 24/7 to stay up to date. So आप मानोगे नहीं, हरिद्वार से Chandigarh say, we've been trying to source concentrators and cylinders wherever we can. We are not a distributor. So wherever we get a supply, we are able to do it. But last week, 10 days has been really bad. Because even though we've tried our best, we've not been able to get in many cases. And some of those have resulted in the elders passing away as well. So it is a dire situation. All of us have been seeing the press, seeing the news, and which is why I'm saying that don't wait. Let's not wait for a situation. अगर आपका oxygen levels high है और COVID positive है, so it's better to move in and tide over the next. COVID is a 15-day disease. It's a 15-day period. The first 7 days usually, the period when you get to know and you get the initial symptoms if you are symptomatic, and then the next 7 days is where the disease starts to pick up, and then it gets into recovery period. 7x3 का period होता है. तो इसमें जो पहला 7 दिन होता है, अगर उसमें आपको पता चल जाता है कि मेरे को है कोविड and I need to get into a protective zone, उस टाइम पे अगर आप आ जाएंगे, तो it's not about the concentrator, but about a clinical monitoring that can get you back into a better stage. For everybody who is not in Gurgaon or not in Delhi, I would strongly urge, if I have COVID positive, we've created a module which is literally created keeping in mind my own parents, that a doctor can keep calling on a daily basis twice and monitor your daily vitals on a daily basis. So the model that I have seen, which has not worked with many other people, is कि हफ्ते में 2 बार डॉक्टर से बात हुई है. कोविड में हफ्ते में 2 बार का मॉडल चलता नहीं है. कोविड में एवरी डे 2 बार बात करने की जरूरत है. एवरी डे सुबह शाम, हो सकता है कि सुबह कुछ था, शाम को कुछ और है. Something has gone wrong. टेस्ट का रिजल्ट कुछ और आया है. So for everybody who has any symptoms, immediately call. For somebody who's got your RT-PCR positive, I would strongly urge, if you have taken an Empower program or Assure program, Empower and Assure has not been created with detailed clinical monitoring. We've created a top-up program which is only for clinical monitoring. This clinical program has a doctor calling literally close to about 14 to 15 times in a period of 2 weeks, 2 days a week, two times a day. And that ensures that the clinical engine is well. अगर डॉक्टर दिन में 2 बार आपको कॉल कर रहे हैं, तो आपको अच्छी तरह से पता चलता है डॉक्टर को कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. मेडिसिन से लेके लैबोरेटरी चेक से लेके सब कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकता है. तो Bisham, this can be done in Pune easily. We are already doing it in many other cities as well. The doctor is on the call on a daily basis twice, sometimes thrice. And I'm saying that जरूरी नहीं है कि if you're in a different city, you have to be, कि हाँ मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. You can do. Emoha is there for you. We'll get a doctor allocated to you. Obviously, it's a top-up from a financial standpoint, but it will ensure that instead of paying 2,000, 3,000 rupees to a doctor for every consult, this is one consolidated 15-day module where the doctor is calling every day for the 15-day period while you are through the COVID.
How can people outside Delhi avail it?
On the phone, Deepalji, you can call your ERM. The ERM will associate a doctor with yourself, and they will do the call on a daily basis.
And do you also have a tie-up with an ambulance?
That person has to come down to Delhi.
नहीं, आने की जरूरत नहीं है. फोन पे पूरा कोऑर्डिनेट कर लेंगे हम लोग. वीडियो कॉल पे पूरा.
And do you also have a tie-up with an ambulance? Because nowadays we are
all
seeing in
across
the
the
news.
So ambulance tie-ups are there across the country. Every city where the elder stays, उसके immediate vicinity में ambulance tie-ups are there. We have just beefed up ambulance presence in Delhi NCR because यहाँ पे Delhi NCR में we were noticing that the time for response for ambulance was becoming sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. So ambulance जो 3 घंटे बाद आता है उसका फायदा क्या है? So that's why we just invested into, these are all very, very expensive decisions, but we've taken the decisions because this company was created for elders.
Because nowadays what we are seeing in the news that they are charging so much for the ambulance and they are cheating also. So that's what if we call you directly if any emergency.
I have a question, Somijit. I have a question. Now, if we are shifted to isolation center and we require certain medicines which are in very short supply, or let's say X-ray or CT scan, can this be arranged there?
Yes, 100%. So again, जैसे for my father-in-law, baricitinib मांगा गया था, remdesivir मांगा गया था. So some of these medicines obviously are in short supply, but what we've done is we've tied up with national groups who have leading presence in the country, in the city, and routine COVID medicines सारे यहीं पे मिल जाएंगे isolation hub में. अगर कोई specialized medicine होगी तो we can search it out from pharmacy circles and try and get it.
और CT स्कैन वगैरह करवाना हो तो एक्सरे या CT स्कैन
हो जाएगा. CT स्कैन के लिए हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ेगा. HRCT स्कैन वहां पे नहीं होगी. अगर चेस्ट एक्सरे कराना है तो चेस्ट एक्सरे आपके रूम में ही हो जाएगा. Wherever you stay, आपके घर में ही चेस्ट एक्सरे हो जाएगी. लेकिन अगर किसी को CT स्कैन कराना हो तो नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल में जाके कोऑर्डिनेट करनी पड़ेगी.
RT-PCR test, for that, do you send anybody who can collect the sample and do it at home? Because that also now they have stopped the service. We have to go to the center and get the test done. In Delhi, we are staying in Delhi.
I'll have to check whether the sampling has stopped or not. I'm not so sure about it, but
It takes. Earlier they used to come home and collect the sample, but now
No,
they are not
ma'am,
doing
there
so.
is they are doing that, but there's a lot of waiting. 2 to 3 days is the waiting time.
No,
Yeah.
as like
But
from
don't go by.
Imhoa, so
Can I please say something? RT-PCR. RT-PCR is not necessarily the best way to look at it. I think it's very important that anybody who has any symptoms should immediately start getting into a clinical intervention from Imhoa side. I would strongly recommend that we do that because RT-PCR से आपको इतना पता चलता है कि आप कोविड पॉजिटिव हो कि नहीं हो. बट द रियल टेस्ट आर थिंग्स लाइक CRP, जिससे आपकी इन्फेक्शन है कि नहीं पता चलता है. छोटे छोटे टेस्ट हैं, मतलब जिसमें कि ब्लड में अगर कोई सिम्टम्स आती है तो वो पकड़ में आ जाती है. So the clinical team can help you understand what test needs to be done, and those tests can be carried out while you are at home. So after we are sure and the doctor has given a consult that yes, there is it's COVID positive here, then you can obviously come into the isolation hub or take care of yourself at home. Both the options are there.
So another problem.
स्वामी जी से क्वेश्चन मेरा भी है. मंजू जी,
अगर आप अकेले हो घर में, सपोर्ट सर्विसेज नहीं है, and you think that you can't manage, in case there is a downflow that might happen, then I would recommend moving into the isolation hub, because that will ensure that we are able to clinically take care of you better.
Yes.
हेलो स्वामी जी से
Another
नमस्कार.
problem,
एक क्वेश्चन
Steve.
मेरा भी है. मंजू जैन.
डॉक्टर मंडी आप बताइए.
हेलो.
Go ahead, Dr. Mandi.
Another problem is, Swamijit, with this latest strain, the CRP levels need to be checked every alternate day, which is not possible at home because the labs are overwhelmed. So this is one reason that everybody with COVID is deteriorating at a very fast pace, because the medication is not being started at the right time because the CRP levels are not known. So that is a very big advantage if you move into some kind of a regular monitoring place wherein diagnostics can be done at the right time and the results are given at the right time. I think this is a very critical time to have the diagnostics and start with medication.
Okay.
Subhash ji,
Savita ji had a question. Savita ji? Savita Datta. Yes,
Yeah,
you had
yeah.
a question.
Yeah, I had a question. What I noticed was that this is in partnership with three things: Sarovar Hotels, IIM Gurgaon, and Imhoa Elder Care. So, are these 60 beds meant for Imhoa Elder Care, or there is some kind of percentage or reservation for the other two partners?
Savita ji, this started on a call from myself.
Okay.
So Latika is a very, very well-renowned, NGO and a leader in Gurgaon. She's somebody who has helped create a lot of nature-related activities in Gurgaon. She's a friend, and me and Latika started having a conversation that क्या करना चाहिए, elders को इतनी दिक्कत आ रही है, what should we do? We can't just sit, and do nothing about it. Latika said that let me go and raise some money, कुछ पैसे raise करते हैं, and let's make a facility for elders.
Okay.
That's how this conversation started. Both me and Latika, then we raised some money and then bought concentrators. Then I did a tie-up with Sarovar. There is no quota. It is meant for elders, but by definition, what it means is that Imhoa elders obviously gets a preference.
Swamijit, my name is Ujjwal Das Gupta.
There there's no quota in the thing, but I would urge, because it's just 60 beds, I would urge that if anybody is COVID positive and is in the early stage of the disease, I would recommend to move in now, because if it gets filled, then it's difficult for us to say anything. But we would always give a higher preference to MOHA elders.
Somjit, my name is Ujjal Dasgupta. I am a new member. So I just want to understand the way it is going to get graded upwards. You said RT-PCR test is not mandatory. So I think the first indication would be that in case you develop some symptoms at home, when that symptom develops, then we call up the relationship manager or get in touch with your doctor service who will...
Ujjal ji, nahi, aisa nahi.
All right.
I'll tell you from my own personal experience.
Please tell us how the system is going to get escalated.
मैं बताता हूँ. I'll explain it in as a son. I'm not a clinical person. मैं आपको ऐसे ही बताऊंगा जैसे your son or your daughter will want to explain it. Now, either it's a case A है कि आपको symptoms हैं. अगर आपको symptoms हैं, तो obviously test कराना चाहिए. Symptoms जैसे कि गले में खराश है या feverish है या headache है, अगर you have the symptoms of COVID, then obviously you will show and you will get yourself tested. तो अगर symptoms नहीं है, the problem is if the symptoms are not there. If the symptoms are there, absolutely fine. But if the symptoms are not there, then you don't know what is happening. So it is advisable that at least what is called as a CRP test कर लेनी चाहिए. And we will guide you. Don't worry. After this call, also our ERMs will guide you that what are the 2 or 3 tests that needs to happen in case there is no symptoms, but you have some infection in your biostream. It could be an indication that there is COVID, and that is something which is a doctor's prerogative.
How
we
will
will not
know
get to know. आपको CRP test करानी पड़ेगी. Test करानी पड़ेगी ना. We have to do the blood test.
So if we are symptom free sitting at home, we should still get a CRP test done.
100%.
All of us.
100%. 100%, uncle. 100%. 100%. And I'm so glad, Ujjal ji, you asked this question. I'm telling you 100%, please. And Dr. Manpreet, and we will send you a proper communication exactly with what test and so on. But that is the starting point, that you must get yourself checked. क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत cases हो रही हैं जिसमें कोई symptom नहीं है. Suddenly, कुछ problem आया, HRCT score पता चला कि 14 है या 15 and so on. It is like, the lungs is getting affected without any symptoms being shown on the top. So, actually symptoms आ गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Then you are out of, anything, because now you know that you go through a whole protection period. But the problem is if the symptoms are not there, and that is where I'm saying it's important to get the basic checks done. अगर blood में पता चलता है infection बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहा है, तो कुछ तो reason होगा. That reason could be an existing disease, or it could be an onset of COVID. The most important thing is घर में और कोई COVID हुआ था क्या? If घर में या घर के contact में अगर कोई COVID हुआ था, and the infection has transferred into your body, but it is asymptomatic, that means that there is a possibility it is affecting you internally. COVID में internally अगर affect हो रहा है, it could create blood clots, which can be found from subsequent tests like D-dimer tests हैं, IL-6 हैं, LDH है, वो बाद में और check हो सकती है. लेकिन एक initial preliminary check हो जाता है, तो one can be sure that there is no major challenges, you can still continue. So we will send you a communication to all the members saying that what are the 2 things that you still need to get checked, irrespective whether you are symptomatic or asymptomatic. Is that clear? Are we clear on this simple point?
Yes. So what I understand that you are suggesting all of us should get a CRP test done ASAP. That is point number 1. And whether we have symptoms or not. In case we have symptoms, so we're very good. Then of course we contact you. Now we would start off by having that twice a day consult with your doctor, which would start. Then the doctor would be the best person to decide as to whether we need to shift into your facility or otherwise.
So the first step is the CRP test. CRP test में because all of you are on different memberships, Empower में और Assure में, Empower में कोई doctor consult as such included नहीं होती है. but there is a minimal price for a doctor consult which Sittu and the team can explain. अगर डॉक्टर ने हाँ कर दिया कि हाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, then one should investigate more, as one would do in any hospital context. If it is confirmed that it is COVID, then it comes, should you want to do it at home or do you want to move into a safer facility? If you want to do it at home, one would recommend that you go in for a little higher clinical monitoring so that the doctor calls you every day at home and monitors everything at home only. घर में रह के डॉक्टर दिन में 2 बार कॉल करके पूरा मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं. डॉक्टर ने बोला कि लैब टेस्ट कराना है, आपने ईआरएम को बोल दिया, उसने कोऑर्डिनेट कर दिया लैब टेस्ट के लिए. डॉक्टर ने बोला मेडिसिन चाहिए, ईआरएम को बोल दिया, उसने मेडिसिन कोऑर्डिनेट कर लिया. डॉक्टर ने बोला कि आपको ऑक्सीजन कराना है, तो अगर ऑक्सीजन हो सकता है हम करा देंगे. So the daughter, your ERM becomes your source for getting things done. The doctor is giving you clinical advice, and obviously your family is there with you. So between your family and these two things is like a triangle. ये triangle आपको बचा के रखेगी for the duration that is there. But in case you feel कि यार मैं अपने से नहीं कर सकता हूँ, COVID है, and I would like to move to a protective zone, the COVID isolation center is there, so that यहाँ पे आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे नर्स है, यहाँ पे डॉक्टर है, यहाँ पे सारी फैसिलिटीज है, तो यहाँ पे अपने आप ही सारी चीजें टेकन केयर हो जाएगी. इफ यू आस्क मी, माय रिकमेंडेशन इज मूव इन, बिकॉज एक घर में रहना और एक फैसिलिटी में रहने में डिफरेंस होता है. दैट इज ऑलवेज द केस.
Will the ERM do CRP test at home?
ERM will coordinate, sir. ERM will coordinate. They will coordinate and get the test organized.
आपने 2 टेस्ट बोले, एक सीआरपी टेस्ट और दूसरा कौन सा टेस्ट?
नारायण अंकल, इसमें एक सीआरपी है, एक सेरम फेरेटिन है, एक एलडीएच टेस्ट है. डोंट वरी, वील सेंड यू अ प्रॉपर नोट एंड वील कोऑर्डिनेट इट. ये हमारी जिम्मे है, आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लाइक माय पेरेंट्स, ऑल ऑफ यू लाइक माय पेरेंट्स, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. वी विल, अगर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को जो मॉडल मैं उनके लिए फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, वही मॉडल मैं आपके लिए फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. नो डिफरेंस, नो डिफरेंस, एब्सोल्युटली सेम.
You've been very lucid. I have just one last question. Whilst at your facility, in case the level drops below 90, which then needs hospitalization, would you be able to facilitate that?
So this is the difficult one, because hospitals have the right to say no. What I am doing, I'll tell you what I am doing. And again, different cities have different levels. Wherever I've been in the healthcare sector in the past, so I have some amount of connections and networks, but I can't commit that just because I'll call somebody, it will happen. Today, even people calling from the senior most government officers are not able to get a bed. The other day, a very senior, Max Hospital clinical person was not able to get a bed for her own mother. So it's a difficult situation, but we will try. We will try with wherever we can. And up till now, we've somehow been able to manage. In many cases, नहीं हो पाई है, but in many cases, किसी तरह से, between hospitals, we've been able to get one bed. चलो ER में ही admission करा दो. ER में admission करा के basic चालू हो जाए, and धीरे-धीरे then they can get into a ward or ICU depending on what it is. So no promises, but we will try.
Very fair. Thank you so much.
Soumyajit, please can I ask?
Please feel free. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. मैं तब तक यहाँ रहूँगा जब तक सबके सवाल जवाब होंगे. So I'm there. I'll patiently sit for the whole day if necessary. Yes, भाटिया आंटी कैसे हैं?
जी मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं भी रिकवर हो गई. मेरे हस्बैंड भी रिकवर्ड हैं. उनको डिहाइड्रेशन बहुत था. उसके लिए वो मैक्स पॉटपरगंज में एडमिट किए हैं. ओनली फॉर जस्ट टू हाइड्रेट हिम, वो जो आईवी फ्लूइड से. So he is feeling better. He just called. अब मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे बच्चे मेरी केयर कर रहे थे और मेरे हस्बैंड की, तो ये बिल्कुल ठीक है दोनों बच्चे, बिकॉज दे वर हैंडलिंग एंड हॉस्पिटल में भी लेके जा रहे थे. तो इनको क्या टेस्ट करवा लेना चाहिए? सिम्टम्स नहीं है, लेकिन क्या आरटीपीसीआर करवाना चाहिए बच्चों को जो हमें हैंडल कर रहे थे?
कराना चाहिए. There is no reason why you should not. मतलब आरटीपीसीआर टेस्ट करा लीजिए, इफ नेसेसरी सीआरपी करा लीजिए. अगर सीआरपी में बहुत ज्यादा लेवल्स हाई आती है, देन वन कैन सस्पेक्ट समथिंग एल्स, बट देयर इज नो हार्म टू गेट इट डन.
मैं बच्चों के लिए पूछ रही हूँ, कुछ सिम्टम्स नहीं है फिर भी करवा लें दोनों टेस्ट. अच्छा,
कराने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है आंटी.
ठीक है, ठीक.
देयर इज नो हार्म. दिस स्ट्रेन इज बैड. ये वाली जो स्ट्रेन है, इसमें आपको पता है, आप सब लोग अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं, इसमें बच्चों को भी अफेक्ट कर रही है. Even a lot of people who are young people in their 40s, क्योंकि इसमें क्लॉट फॉर्मेशंस होती हैं, सडन क्लॉट फॉर्मेशंस होती हैं, और उससे ऑब्वियसली
जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, सिम्टम्स भी नहीं होते फिर भी अंदर डिजीज होती है, तो वो पता नहीं चलती. तो इट्स बेटर टू गेट द टेस्ट डन.
जब दरवाजे में दीमक लगती है तो दरवाजा चलता, एक सडनली दरवाजा ब्रेक करती है ना, तो बिल्कुल दीमक की तरह ही है. अंदर से हो रहा है, बाहर से सब कुछ ठीक है, दरवाजा चल रहा है, एक दिन सडनली गिर जाता है. तो it's like that, so think of it like that from external everything is fine, but internally there is a decay that is happening, and it is in our interest. वो दीमक अगर है तो कहीं कहीं वो उसकी पाउडर गिरी होती है ना, तभी पता चलता है ना कि दीमक लगी है. तो CRP वैसी है, अगर इन्फेक्शन बॉडी में है और वायरल अभी के टाइम का वायरल है, तो डॉक्टर्स कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट, दे कैन रीड द रिजल्ट्स एंड सी कि इसमें देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी समथिंग इज रॉन्ग.
थैंक यू.
And Bharti aunty, you need to take care of your diet post COVID.
Yes.
Very important that एक बार COVID से आप रिकवर करेंगे, प्लीज इग्नोर मत करिए. हमारे जो डाइटिशियन है उनसे बात करके आपकी डाइटरी नीड्स, हाई प्रोटीन डाइट, लॉट ऑफ फाइबर, लॉट ऑफ ड्रिंक्स जरूरी है करना, स्पेशली इन एल्डर एज में. इट इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट दैट पोस्ट कोविड मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. नहीं तो फिर से it can subside. It's very important that you take care of yourself.
अभी
Bhamri uncle बताइए, बहुत बेहतर.
Thank you very much, Somajit ji. मैंने half an hour से hand raise किया हुआ है. Yes. But you have been talking so many times. Hello. I wanted to tell you that my wife got fever day before yesterday, and Rashmi madam was good enough, and we talked to a doctor, but simultaneously ERM arranged an appointment with one doctor of Imoha, and he advised RT-PCR done. So since yesterday we were waiting, only before the session the person has come and taken the test, RT-PCR test for both of us. So first of all, I wanted to thank you very much, because nowadays a person coming for the test at home is really a big task, which has been done. Now I'll be waiting for the report. And my question is that if a person is recommended to this newly set up unit, then 49,000 has to be paid in advance, isn't it? Does this include ये नहीं होगा ना, जैसे कि डॉक्टर ने 2 विजिट कर दिया, उसके बाद ये वाला टेस्ट जो है फोर्टिस से करवाया, इसके पैसे एक्स्ट्रा. It includes everything.
Fortis is just a medical partner. The doctors are on Imoha's rolls, uncle. They report to me. कोई यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. The doctors are reporting to me. The facility is reporting to me. Sarovar and Fortis are partners. This place is managed by me. I am sitting here. मैं इस जगह में खुद बैठा हूँ. Imoha elders यहाँ बैठेंगे तो I will ensure that they get the best of the treatment. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Hello, Somajit.
Yes, Chatterjee aunty.
Yes, it's very nice of you and to start this initiative, and we are really emotionally secured and happy to have this coming from Imoha. I just wanted to know what happens if we have had 2 vaccines and we get this infection. Is it much lesser than what others would have if they are infected with COVID?
Dr. Mandeep, could you comment on this? MK? I think Dr. Mandeep has. That there is definitely an advantage to have vaccinations done, because it reduces the impact in the event that COVID gets done. But it doesn't mean that just because they have 2 vaccinations, COVID will not happen.
Yes, but
there is no correlation between them.
Are the symptoms, do you think they are milder than if we have not had it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. I think to have, I'm so glad that everybody took the vaccination drive seriously, before we hit the second surge. And you know, even for those who have not had themselves vaccinated, I would urge complete कर लीजिए. अगर अभी तक नहीं किया for whatever reason, please get it closed, because then, you know, in case something happens and COVID gets, you know, at least the chances of it is less. And elders के लिए तो vaccination के बाद उतनी immediately उतना fever वगैरह होता नहीं है. I had a lot of my first 24 hours after vaccination was very bad. It was very tedious. But I think there is definitely an advantage, and I can see that in a lot of our elders. So it's fine. Anybody who wants to leave the session, please feel free. I'll be there in the session till the time anybody has a question to ask.
स्वामी जी एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर मेरा भी करते जाइए प्लीज.
प्लीज.
मैं एक्चुअली मैं नोएडा में हूँ और मैं 3-4 बार टेस्ट का दे चुकी हूँ ब्लड, बट हमेशा रिपोर्ट्स में यही हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे तो मना ही कर दिया. अभी गुड़गांव से एक आपका ये हिंदुस्तान वेलफेयर करके एक पैथोलॉजी है, वहां से आए, उन्होंने पैसा भी ले लिया, सब ले लिया, सैंपल ले गए और उसके बाद उन्होंने नॉन कंक्लूसिव करके रिपोर्ट दे दिया. 3 जनों का लेके गया, 2700 रुपया लिया और उसके बाद नॉन कंक्लूसिव. अब यहाँ पे ये चक्कर हो रहा है, ये कहाँ टेस्ट कराएं, रिपोर्ट ही नहीं आ रही है सही. तो बस एक ये पता लग जाए कि कहाँ पे हमें दे के सैंपल ऑन पेमेंट एक हमें सही रिपोर्ट मिल जाए.
मंजू जी, ये who's the ERM with you?
जी मैं नोएडा में हूँ, वहाँ मेंबर हूँ मैं भी.
I know, but आपके साथ कौन ERM कौन है आपके साथ?
सुजीता.
Sujita will take care. Sujita is very good. So Ritu will discuss with Sujita and we'll figure out something.
ओके. और एक चीज और पूछनी थी बस कि मेरे ब्रदर को अभी कोविड पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट आया, मेरी भाभी को भी हुआ, उसको सब सिम्टम्स थे भाभी को, बट रिपोर्ट वाज नेगेटिव. एंड मेरे ब्रदर को बिल्कुल एसिम्प्टोमेटिक, मतलब उसको कुछ भी नहीं, ना सांस भी नहीं फूल रहा, ही वाज बिल्कुल फ्रेश एंड हेयर एंड हार्टी. उसकी रिपोर्ट पॉजिटिव है, फिर आफ्टर 10 डेज उसने अभी कराया तो फिर रिपोर्ट उसका पॉजिटिव आया. तो मेरे को सिर्फ ये पूछना था, जैसा कि आपने बताया कि एसिम्प्टोमेटिक में अंदर ही अंदर डैमेज होता है, तो उसको तो नहीं मालूम, बट क्या टेस्ट कराना चाहिए उसके लिए, क्योंकि उसको ना ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम है, ना कफ है, ना कुछ है, कुछ भी नहीं है. तो उसके बाद
यही मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दैट अगर आपका RT-PCR पॉजिटिव.
हेलो. हाँ, आप थोड़ा
RT-PCR is not everything. जो बाकी जो टेस्ट हैं वो टेस्ट भी करा देना चाहिए. अगर कंफर्म हो जाता है कि कोविड पॉजिटिव है, then I would urge to get into either a detailed clinical monitoring at home or to move into the hub. A और B दोनों को एक्सक्लूड करके मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, घर में बैठा हूँ, अपने आप मैनेज कर लूंगा, प्लीज मत करना.
नहीं, मेरे को सिर्फ आपसे नॉलेज के लिए यही पूछना है कि वो अभी तो घर पे है, तो उसको कौन सा टेस्ट और कराना चाहिए,
वो मैं बता दूंगा. We will say that. And
I have taken Covishield.
Okay, thank you so much, Swamiji. Thank you.
I have taken Covishield 1 shot. But second due है आज, उसके 8 हफ्ते हो गए हैं फर्स्ट शॉट के. So how can I get the Covishield faster?
कोविशील्ड कहाँ पे लिया था आपने माथुर जी?
मैंने यहाँ लिया था, यहीं पे प्रतीक्षा हॉस्पिटल में लिया था मैंने.
तो दोबारा ले लेते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या दिक्कत है?
नहीं, अभी अवेलेबिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम है कोविशील्ड की.
I understand. So
मैंने अपने ERM से भी बात करी है. She is trying to get me at the right place.
Let me just take that question, Swamiji.
To just take a note of this.
I will just answer this question. Yes, we are facing this deficit of the vaccines as of now. A lot of hospitals do not have it. So in case you have a requirement of that, we can start checking up in hospitals, and wherever it is available, we can get back to you. But this is something which is coming from the government. So the moment we get to know about it, we can help you out with it. But if it's not available in one hospital, we are definitely checking up in other hospitals, and we can let you know about where it is available. And from
that's what I have been told by my ERM.
Right, exactly. That is what, because or maybe the hospitals are taking another 4-5 days to get that particular vaccine. So thoda sa delay ho raha hai, but from the back end it's not coming. So we can only go on to different hospitals to handle it as of now.
I just want to know there is no harm in getting further delayed.
There is no harm in getting delayed, Deepak ji. कोई harm नहीं है. Long duration only makes it more effective.
Right, Mr. K.C. Gandhi, you had a question.
Me.
He's been raising his hand for a long time.
Mr. Gandhi, you're on mute.
Mr. Gandhi, आप mute पे हैं.
And I have a question. The difficulty starts from the day 7. Okay, let's say today is day 7. I start getting some difficulty. How the EMOHA is going to come to my rescue?
Mr. Gandhi, could you repeat the question? I think I didn't get the question clearly. Could you repeat it again?
Question is, the day 7 is to be counted from the moment you start getting some feeling. When the day 7 comes, the things become little difficult. At that time, what are the responses we will get it? Maybe hospital, maybe doctor's help is not a problem, but question is oxygen or bed. So my question is, what are the things arranged with you to attend this type of emergency? 1 to 6, okay, you can, there are so many advice, we can take it. But all of a sudden, if it's turned to the other side, not a very positive, then what are the things you are going to assist us in getting?
So, Mr. Gandhi, this is what is happening for the last 10 days. Yeah. A lot of people who have not managed the first phase and where they've not, adequately doctor monitoring पे नहीं थे, खुद ही से कर रहे थे या lab test ठीक से नहीं हुआ था, तो धीरे-धीरे the disease progressed very fast. जो second stage होता है वो aggressive progression वाला stage है. उसमें suddenly it can decay faster. So if somebody has reached an aggressive, kind of a stage, for us at that point of time, you're dependent on the hospital system. There is nothing other than the hospital system which is available, and we all know the availability of beds in that place. On the reality in the ground, if you ask me right now, Samjit, can you arrange me a cylinder in the next, 1 hour or 2 hours? I can tell you very clearly, it's very difficult. We are lucky in some places we've been able to find something and have been able to move and rush. But in most of the cases, it's been very difficult to find, any iota of cylinder. I know every passing week things will become better, but right now, as we speak, the cylinder situation is not good. It's not up to the mark.
Okay.
So
you said that you have some facility for taking care. Is it, as you say, is it isolation beds or something? What are the facilities there?
So as I said, there are 60, Gandhiji, इसमें 60 beds हैं.
Achha.
There are 40 rooms, 60 beds. There are some rooms which are twin, like sharing beds, and some which are, single, double beds. The place has full-time senior ICU doctors, senior, junior doctors, nursing staff, nursing supervisors, नीचे pharmacy है, lab tie-up है. There are some emergency beds downstairs as well, where there is higher degree oxygen there. So ये पूरी facility है. As I said, it's not a hospital. It is a place for isolation with adequate oxygen. It's like a home away from home. But घर में आपको इन सब चीजों के लिए पूरा मेहनत करना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे वो सारी चीजें बनी हुई है. यहाँ पे आपको नर्स ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है, डॉक्टर ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. डॉक्टर नर्स कमरे के बाहर ही हैं. And all that protocol plus khana pina 24/7, everything is available. So the effort for managing day-to-day affairs becomes much more easier inside a place like this. But this is only open for people who are COVID positive, not for people who are, normal.
That's right. Once a course.
I
have already done the RT-PCR.
May I ask one question?
What are the things which you suggest?
May I ask one question?
So, Gandhi, just to close on that point, we will send you a list of, tests that needs to be done. CRP definitely hai, but we will check whether you need to do serum ferritin, LDH, or any other disease checks and so on, and send you a list. So, basis that list, you can get yourself checked and then have a doctor consultation done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
May I ask one question?
Please.
One is point positive and isolation, then after how many days again the test should be done? Is it required the test should be done after 14 days?
For which test? For the RT-PCR test?
RT-PCR, हाँ.
Actually, it depends करता है. मतलब I asked the same question to the doctor. What I was told was that it's not necessary, but I can get this checked again. So once
Any other test to be required? Any other test?
I would not know that. Prakash. So any other test required towards the end कह रहे हैं क्या? मतलब after the whole process is completed उसके बाद कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, 14 days के बाद हाँ.
मुझे नहीं पता. मैं चेक करके बता सकता हूँ. I don't know. I'm not a doctor on this, but I can find it out.
जो आप बोल रहे हैं, CPR जो बोल रहे हैं वो कराना चाहिए.
मैं जो टेस्ट कह रहा हूँ वो शुरू में. It is to assess the condition, not to. At the end of the process, I'll have to check with the clinical team. At the end, if there are any tests to be done. Good doctors will advise. That is their job. They will advise.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sunita ji had
one message. Yes. Just one message I would like to mention to everybody is that I just want to hear from all of you that pre-EMOHA, जब आप EMOHA के member नहीं थे, and you were obviously on your own, to now when you are part of the EMOHA community. Do you think that you are better off? Do you think that you are in a better managed situation? And if you think so, my recommendation, and this is not coming from, every time this discussion happens, there are certain circles where it comes out as sales. So I will be very honest with you. This is not about sales. But मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि अगर आपके friends, आपके community members हैं, who you think can benefit from something like this, please get them on board. Please get them on board. People are paying by the thousands, if not lakhs.
Definitely.
They are getting into trouble. 10 दिन 15 दिन बाद जब सिचुएशन खराब हो जाती है. मेरी एक स्कूल टाइम की फ्रेंड है, कक्कर आंटी को पता होगा, कक्कर आंटी ने पढ़ाया होगा रांची में. She just lost her father.
हम कहें कुछ?
मैं just let me finish that, Monanti. So Monanti, just give me 2 minutes. मैं ये कह रहा था कि कक्कर आंटी, do you remember Richa Ahuja?
Yes. Yes.
Do you remember Richa Ahuja? Do you remember Richa Ahuja?
Yes.
So she was a student. She was in the same, student when, obviously, this is 30 years back. Her father passed away, her father passed away literally 3-4 days back. And it was only because, she was in the US. Her brother was in Sydney. Mother and father stayed alone in Gurgaon. Had they been members of the community, कुछ नहीं होता. मतलब, we would have caught it much in advance. Doctors से verify हो जाती. अगर कोई जरूरत पड़ती तो हम लोग हेल्प करते. बाकी ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, लेकिन एटलीस्ट बेटर प्रोटेक्शन में रहते. तो मेरी आप लोग से गुजारिश है कि दिस इज नॉट द टाइम, दिस इज रियली द टाइम दैट आपके आसपास अगर आपके परिवार के लोग हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, प्लीज गेट देम साइंड ऑन. मतलब I can't protect thousands of people, but another 500-600 people I can easily take on. हमारी कैपेसिटी है another 500-600 elders को लेने की, और वो टाइम अभी है. बाद में जब कोविड का स्ट्रेन आगे थर्ड वेव की बात हो रही है, तो quickly get other people who are close to you. Doesn't matter where. NCR Delhi में obviously हमारा स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा है, but in any other city also, if you think you have some loved ones, आपके कोई भाई हैं, बहन हैं, या रिश्तेदार हैं या दोस्त हैं, please get them on board. You can tell your ERM, Ritu is there. What is 1,000 rupees a month? It's nothing. We've removed all discounts and all that. हमने सब हटा दिए क्योंकि उसके वजह से there were problems that were coming in. So we've said it's very clear. It's a 999 rupees per month for 3 months. You pay a 3 month, you become a member, and let's get more people on board so that people benefit from this. इससे लोगों को फायदा हो रहा है. There is no shame in admitting the fact that this is a community that you are creating. ये आपकी community है. Let more members benefit from it. अभी हम लोग कुल मिला के 700 लोग हैं. हम easily इसको 1500 लोग तक लेके जा सकते हैं. 1500 people can be protected. और क्यों नहीं प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे? अगर सिस्टम बनी हुई है, एक अच्छी संस्था बन गई है, अच्छे लोग जुड़ गए हैं, तो और लोगों को फायदा होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? होना चाहिए ना. तो उस संदर्भ में अगर आपके जान पहचान में है तो धक्का मार के उनको बोलिए भाई क्या कर रहे हो, इमीडिएटली बिकम अ मेंबर, सडनली कुछ हो जाएगा। उसके बाद if somebody calls me at 2 o'clock in the night, I can't help. I'm telling you very clearly. आप लोग कर सकते हो क्योंकि मुझे पता है बैकग्राउंड क्या है, मुझे पता है कौन है, हेल्थ प्रोफाइल क्या है। Suddenly somebody comes, it's very difficult for Emoha to react.
Swamiji, can I just ask you one simple question?
Yes, Bansal uncle.
I want to ask you something.
Swamiji.
Yes. Just one by one. Bansal uncle, आप बोल दीजिए उसके बाद।
Thank you, Swamiji. Though you have, we are living in Gurgaon, and you have partly answered this question. Of course, your facility, which is coming up, is a very good idea. I think the great effort they have put in, and I'm very much relieved. We are very much relieved by this facility. Unfortunately, if the oxygen level is below 90, for example, what do you have any connection arrangement which can be done with any of the hospitals in Delhi or NCR?
So, uncle, we work with close to about 12-15 hospitals in the NCR itself. और बाकी cities में we know the hospitals. Obviously, it's not that intense as much as it is there in Gurgaon. But I can assure you that although I know Artemis के जो देवजीनाथ जी उनके CEO हैं, पारस के नागर जी हैं, सबको मैं खुद personally जानता हूँ, लेकिन सबने मना किया हुआ है. There is no beds available in most of these places. Having said that, they are also professionals. If in case कहीं पे उनके पास availability होती है और Emoha से request आती है, they entertain those requests. So nobody can give a commitment, but you should rest assured that because Emoha has very deep relationships and these are not commercial relationships. These are relationships of respect between the two organizations. So if हमारे तरफ से request आती है तो वो सुनते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि ignore हो जाता.
Swamiji, can I ask you one question?
Ranjana ji, आपकी आवाज.
Swamiji, can I ask one question?
Ladies and gentlemen, Ranjana ji, 1 minute. Your voice is not coming. Sunita ji will take your question first. उनका शायद network issue है. Sunita ji, you're on mute.
Yeah, I unmuted myself. Well, first of all, I want to thank Sumajit Roy for all the things that he has been doing for Emoha, and I'm very happy with Emoha. And my brother was asking a question for which he actually, when I had COVID, he was the one who called Ritu and got everything sorted out. And I was very impressed because the main thing is the stress that what are you going to do, who you're going to call at that moment. And I got everything right there, the ambulance and everything waiting, but I had a mild attack. And the EMR, Sanyo Brown, she was calling me almost every day. Of course, Ritu was taking good care and you were working behind the scenes as Ritu. So I wanted to thank you. I didn't get this opportunity. Since there are so many people, I thought I wanted to give them peace of mind that I live in Pune and I got so much help. And thank you very much.
Sunita ji, and salute to you, salute to everybody who has become a member from outside of NCR. You have taken a risk on us. I can assure you that as God, helps us with, we don't have infinite capital. Everything that we have, we put it into the organization so that elders can have a better quality of life. But as we expand, definitely we want to like to have the same level of services of Delhi in other parts. Bisham uncle is in Pune. You are there in Pune. Do you guys know each other and have you interacted in Pune? We should find out a way for local Pune circle, local Bombay circle, local Lucknow circles also to start getting created. And
I'm in Ahmedabad.
Very nice, Prakash uncle. So, हाँ तो करेंगे ना तो these local circles will be there. And Sunita ji, as we expand to other parts of the country where higher degree services are possible, we'll get it there also. तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है आज आपको अगर पुणे में कुछ चाहिए, we will not be able to do. And all of you heard Sunita ji, kind of mention it. You've heard other elders also mention it in the past of us being able to manage it in other places as well. Having said that, there will be times when we'll be not able to manage. So it's not an easy thing to, in the current circumstances, the pressures are very high. and a lot depends on the hospital or the oxygen supplier and so on. So it's a tricky situation, but we'll keep you posted on every request that comes in.
And how's the support system in Mumbai?
So it's the same. Every place we have local ERMs which are there. Engagement relationship managers are there in almost all the major cities are there.
No, I was in
and
Delhi
we have a dedicated.
I was in Delhi earlier and I had an ERM, but now only a few days back I have relocated to Bombay. So
Don't worry, uncle. That's fine. Don't worry about that because again, we have the ERMs which are there in every city because of local language and so on. But in terms of the coordination is done by a central team based out of Gurgaon who are able to trace and track partners in every city. Fortunately, आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छी हो गई है ताकि हम यहाँ से बैठ के किसी भी एरिया में अगर हमें पता लगाना हो कि नियरेस्ट एम्बुलेंस सर्विस क्या है, हॉस्पिटल सर्विस क्या है, हम उनसे बात करके पहले से बात करके रख लेते हैं. तो जिस टाइम पे जरूरत पड़ेगी उस टाइम पे हमें भागने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. We know the people there.
You have your strengths in Bombay.
Physical presence we don't have in Bombay. We have I think about 3 or 4 employees in Bombay, but remotely we work with local partners in Bombay, like in any other city.
Like Shashiji, you had a question? Shashiji?
Hello,
Mr. Bayana. Mr. Bayana also has a question.
Swamiji.
Yes, Mona aunty. कैसे हैं आप?
हम तो
मोना आंटी एक गाना गा दीजिए सबके लिए. आज सब मेरे को बहुत सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. आप मोना आंटी एक गाना ही गा दीजिए आज सबके लिए.
Really required. समझिए. एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है मोहा, है ना? तो अब हम बोल सकते हैं. हेलो.
पूछिए आंटी पूछिए.
हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हम मेंबर नहीं थे. बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है यार, मेरी आवाज कैसे? हेलो हेलो हेलो.
हाँ आ रही है आंटी.
हम ये कह रहे हैं कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव डन. यू पीपल हैव डन. यू पीपल सारे लोग इंक्लूडेड हैं. हमें कुछ परेशानी नहीं हुई जब से हम मेंबर हो गए. उस पहले से बेटर हैं हम. बेटर प्लेस और बहुत जल्दी हमारी बात सुनी जाती है तुम्हारे दरबार में.
हमारे दरबार मोना आंटी के मेरा दरबार नहीं है.
तो इसलिए हम ये कह रहे हैं. अरे सुनो पहले. क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो लोग एश्योर और को एम्पावर उसमें होते हैं उनके लिए है वो बेड्स जो 60 बेड्स है. ये पूछना है.
आंटी ये कोई भी वहाँ के मेंबर हैं, they will get the highest and the first preference. It doesn't matter empower or assure or
ठीक है.
But
यही
अगर वहाँ के मेंबर हैं तो obviously we'll give higher preference. और अगर ये 60 खत्म हो जाती है, I am giving you my word. Another 10 days I'll get another 60 done. 10 दिन बाद I'll make it to 100. कैसे होगा मुझे नहीं पता. कहाँ से पता चलेगा मुझे नहीं पता. कौन सी फैसिलिटी मुझे नहीं पता.
हम लोग की
10 दिन बाद मैं फिर से आऊंगा इस प्रोग्राम में और I'll get another 60 बेड. तो किसी भी तरह से करके छोड़ेंगे चाहे जैसे भी हो. We'll figure it out.
Rana also had a question. And Ranjana ji, आपका माइक में काफी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. सर रिक्वेस्ट यू टू कीप योरसेल्फ म्यूटेड. इट्स कॉजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ echo. हाँ जी मिस्टर बयाना, we'll take your question. आप म्यूट पे हैं मिस्टर बयाना.
मेरी भी बारी आएगी कि नहीं आएगी?
प्रवीण आंटी को बारी नहीं दे रहे हो ऋतु. प्रवीण आंटी डांट जाएंगे सबकी बारी.
Everybody, I can't, before I even say anything, you know, there are a lot of questions being asked. Mr. Bayana, we'll take your question. Hanji.
I have one question, Shomajit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will just come to you one by one. Please wait patiently. He's here only. We will take all the questions, but let us ask the questions one by one so that all the questions are answered. Mr. Bayana, please carry on with your question.
Yeah. Mr. Somajit and Rituji, thank you very much. I have heard you very patiently and I just wanted to say best of luck in your new venture. May God grant you success, and you should be very, very useful to the humanity, which you are earlier also. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
I just
much.
want to leave, you know.
But it is my duty to just introduce all of you to Justice Bhayana. I think, I don't think everybody in the community, knows Justice Bhayana and his wife. They are the parents of my co-founder, Rohit Bhayana. So Rohit and me obviously started Emoha. Most of you have not met Rohit. He's a wonderful soul. Rohit and Mohit, Justice Bhayana के लड़के हैं, दोनों बहुत अच्छे लड़के हैं. And Rohit started a company called Loomis Partners about 11-12 years back. And
more than that, it's about 16 years past that he started.
15 years back. So very exceptional. Rohit is exceptionally talented. Was the CEO of GE in India and was with HCL, with HP, lot of large corporates, and more than anything else has a wonderful heart. तो वो हार्ट कहाँ से आई है वो तो हम सबको पता ही है. जब माँ बाप ऐसे हैं तो बच्चे अपने आप ही ऐसे होंगे. So and Justice Bhayana has also been a very senior, administrative person. He was with at the Competition Commission, right?
Yeah.
Justice Bhayana?
Yeah. No, I was in advisor in Tata, and I was chairman Consumer Forum also. I was chairman Consumer Forum Delhi.
Correct. So, so Justice Bhayana's son obviously is a very integral part of Emoha, and Rohit and Loomis essentially have, provided all the anchor capital that is required to make it what it is. नहीं तो समझिए ऐसे ही ख्वाब ही देखता रहता है और कुछ बनता नहीं, क्योंकि बिना पैसे का ख्वाब ही रहता है ना, वो जब तक कोई इन्वेस्टिंग कैपिटल नहीं आता है तब तक it does not become a reality. So we should all salute Justice Bhayana and his wife for having such a wonderful son, जिनके बदौलत इमोहा आज तक जहाँ तक पहुँच पाई है. Thank you so much, uncle.
नहीं साल credit goes to you as an able administrator. We respect you, we regard you. You are the best administrator we have. God bless you, and we
thank you so much.
Somjit ji, one question.
Thank you.
Can my daughter who is in Dwarka, Delhi, can avail the opportunity, this thing? Because she's not a member, I am a member. Son-in-law and daughter.
So opportunity to, in what context,
sir? If they have some
opportunity in terms of
they can join this, your isolation hub.
हमने इस फैसिलिटी में 80% एल्डर्स के लिए रखा है, और इसी रीजन से रखा है कि अगर किसी एल्डर के किसी फैमिली मेंबर को अगर रहना हो तो 20% we kept it for next of kin, for children. So if there is a child or something, we can't fill all the beds with children, but 20% of the beds we kept it for essentially children of elders.
Okay.
तो आपकी अगर लड़की है, सिंपल से आंसर है कि अगर क्राइटेरिया मीट करते हैं तो हम ले सकते हैं, मना नहीं करेंगे. इमोहा के मेंबर्स हैं.
I'm in Ahmedabad.
Praveen ji.
That's fine, uncle. No problem. That's fine. No problem.
Oh, what a relief at last.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll request you to keep your mics muted, please. Praveen ji, you can ask your question.
I just want to know, Soumyajit, मेरे next door neighbor ने दो माँ बेटी को दोनों को कोविड हुआ है, पर they are out of it now. 15-20 दिन हो गए हैं. तो do you think that I should get myself? वैसे तो मैं ठीक हूँ. टेस्ट कराना चाहिए या नहीं कराना चाहिए? I just want your opinion on that.
प्रवीण जी 100% कराना चाहिए. यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि मेरे फादर इन लॉ के साथ भी यही हो रहा था. मैं तो बोल के थक गया कि पापा करा लो, लेकिन कराते लेट किया उन्होंने. तो ये जो अगर मान लीजिए 6th डे में या 7th डे में जाके पता चलता है, तब पे एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ एक अंदर ही अंदर बॉडी के अंदर क्या हो रहा है ऊपर से पता नहीं चलता है. सी एल्डर्स में ना सिम्टम्स नहीं दिखती हैं. एल्डर्स बच्चों में सिम्टम जल्दी दिखती है, एल्डर्स में सिम्टम लेट से दिखती है. एज अ रिजल्ट, बिकॉज एल्डर्स में सिम्टम्स लेट दिखती हैं, आपको नहीं पता चल रहा होगा, सडनली डिप कर सकता है. इसीलिए जो अभी ऋतु और डॉक्टर मनरीत भेजेंगे, प्लीज टेक इट सीरियसली, गेट द बेसिक टेस्ट डन, एंड सब कोऑर्डिनेट हम लोग करेंगे, आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर वो टेस्ट में लगता है कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, then we'll either get the higher degree clinical monitoring in your own home or move into the isolation house. Either of the options are there. खुदा ना करे अगर ज्यादा खराब हो जाए, then it becomes a problem. Then वो मेरे हाथ में भी नहीं है. Then we have to go to a hospital. That is the only. I want to stay away from the hospital. जितना हॉस्पिटल से दूर रह सकते हैं उतना बेटर है. जितना प्रिवेंशन में काम कर सकते हैं उतना बेटर है.
नहीं मतलब वो तो
Rashmi ji,
अभी
you had
दोनों
a
ठीक
question?
है, but still I should get it done. You are recommending this, na?
Yes.
I am all right.
Yes.
ठीक है.
I will insist.
Okay.
I will insist.
I'll tell my ERM to send a man. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And God bless you for doing so much. You and your team doing so much for us, and thinking.
आप लोग ही तो हमारे इंस्पिरेशन हो. इंस्पिरेशन तो आप लोग ही हो. मेरे लिए ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर आप लोग हो. My oxygen concentrator is all of you.
हमारी ऑक्सीजन आप हो. Vice versa.
Mutual relationship हो गया ये. Mutual है.
Thank you, God.
Rashmi ji is wanting to say something.
Yeah, Swamiji, first of all, I am so sure that there is God there and there is Imoha. So I feel very nice about two things. And secondly, what I want to ask you is that last week I had a little bit of throat ache, which I've never had in my life. And now there are no symptoms. Everything is fine, as you said, but still I will get my CRP done. Do you think that all of us should be, even without having any problem, have the oximeter at home to be testing our, oxygen level all the time?
Yes, 100% yes.
Yes, 100%.
And again, just speak to the ERM. They'll arrange for all of these things. वो आपके लिए वो गेटवे है, ठीक है? वो आपके लिए गेटवे है. आपको आज कोविड है.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I think we've lost connectivity.
I'm saying that जब इमोहा बनी थी तब कोई कोविड नहीं था. कोविड से पहले बनी थी. कोविड से 1-1.5 साल पहले बनी थी. तो जो फंडामेंटल कंपनी की थी वो तब भी रेलेवेंट है, अभी भी रेलेवेंट है और 10 साल बाद भी रेलेवेंट रहेगी. क्यों रेलेवेंट रहेगी? क्योंकि इमरजेंसी किसी भी एल्डर के साथ प्रॉब्लम होती है, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम होती है, सेफ्टी होती है, सपोर्ट होती है, एंड जिंदगी में खुशियां भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंगेजमेंट भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ये जो 5 तत्व है, these 5 elements are part of the Imoha's DNA. ये हमारे डीएनए में. आज कोविड है, कल को कोई और नाटक होगा, किसको पता है? बट वी नो दैट चाहे कोई भी नाटक हो, कितना ही बड़ा नाटक हो, उसमें कभी ना कभी इमरजेंसी होगा तो हॉस्पिटल, एम्बुलेंस, फोन, सेंसर्स वो चाहिए. अगर हेल्थ की इश्यूज है तो डॉक्टर, फार्मेसी, लैब, ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. तो दिस कोऑर्डिनेशन हैसल हैज टू गो अवे एंड द कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द ईआरएम. आपका ईआरएम आपका कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट है कि वो आपको पता है आपको रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. Swamijit cannot know 700 people. Ritu cannot know 700 people. That person needs to know 40 persons. वो हर ERM 40 लोगों को, they need to know them well. And they need to know how to get the request done from the remaining Imoha system.
Ritu, may I ask one question?
Thank you.
Yeah, Manju ji.
रितु, मैं ये पूछना चाह रही थी स्वामीजीत से भी कि क्या हम थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल हेल्प हम भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग क्या? अगर इतना आप लोग इतना कर रहे हैं, ये सब जैसे हॉस्पिटल बनाना है या और सब नीड है, तो कैन वी हेल्प फाइनेंशियली?
So there are some people who have helped. There are some people. We have created a small Imoha trust. I am very fortunate. We've received close to about 30-35 lakh rupees, almost 40 lakh rupees we've received from corporates and some from individuals also. As you can expect.
Hello, your voice is not. Please unmute yourself.
And everything for elders. So I am also curious to see if there is a possibility that all of you would be interested. Would all of you be interested if we were to bulk procure concentrators or cylinders from abroad? Would that be of interest to you? This is something that we've been discussing because there are there are, if for example 200, 300 people want, then we can get a bulk order done, to buy it from Singapore or Hong Kong or somewhere. So इस तरह की चीज़ हम कर सकते हैं. We can do that so that you don't have to worry for, getting a concentrator locally in the retail market and so on.
Okay.
I'm in for it.
So,
so how can
Amajit, I think that will be a good initiative because COVID, it is a second wave right now. And after that, you never know, there will be a third wave or fourth wave, who knows? It is better to have the concentrators ready for the elderly so that you don't struggle in the end.
So, Samir ji, ye Ritu will circulate again a brochure.
Ritu's a brochure.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think he's got frozen.
Meters and stuff inside the home. So, jisko jo chahiye, because isme again we are not a trading company. We will essentially list down how many people are interested. We'll do a bulk buy with a known partner, जिनके साथ हमने अभी almost 120 concentrators अभी मंगवाया है. So we know that they are trusted, and we can place a bulk order with them after taking advances. तो वो हम कर सकते हैं. Because no obligations, जिनको नहीं करना है ना करे. लेकिन whoever wants to, we can initiate that and we can get it done.
Yeah, what I will suggest is that if you can prepare a home kit, that what is the home preparation they need to do so that they can buy it from you as a home kit for the elders who are staying at home and do the testing and other things.
वही कर रहे हैं समीर जी. This is exactly what.
How much this concentrator will cost?
I just bought the concentrator at about 60,000 rupees per piece, for 5-liter ones. The 10-liter ones are close to about 1,00,000 rupees right now. ये जो to buy concentrators.
Amarjit, your network is not working. If you could just repeat for everyone, I think we clearly need.
Any other question, Ritu? Otherwise, then we can close out.
I want to ask you.
One second, if I can just repeat what Swamiji just said, because I know thoda sa network issue ho gaya tha. So, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday only the relationship managers would have started asking you for these bulk orders that we want to give to the for the concentrators. Whoever is interested, please, get your name written with your relationship manager. They have, price list with them for various things, whether it's a, oxygen cylinder or a concentrator, whatever is available. So, of course, we do not know at what rate we are getting it because the rates are changing every day. So, we've given a variable that it could be from suppose 60,000 to 80,000 or from 1,00,000 to 1.5 lakhs, whatever a variable has been given. And in case you all are interested in it, you please get your names written with the relationship managers. We will take the list and order those many things, but an advance payment will be required for it.
So can I get a show of hands? How many people may be interested if you were to bulk buy concentrators? Would people be interested? Could you just give me an indication how many would be interested? Maybe you can just put it in the chat or something, or a thumbs up, just to get a sense. Because अगर 5-10 लोग हैं तो it doesn't make sense. If it's like 100-150 people, then we can put a team and make it happen. Or maybe Ritu, you can take it offline. Tomorrow when you have your chats with the teams, you can get a sense. Then we can initiate the whole process.
Yeah.
Can I make a point?
Through the relationship managers. So as we get confirmation from elders, we will.
Yeah. So can I speak for a while?
Please go ahead.
Anji, please.
Yeah. I just want to congratulate you. I'm really impressed. I've been looking for such services. I've been in very many places in India and now finally settled in Noida. Okay. So that is one. Second is I'm also from Ranchi, so therefore there is some. I did my college and postgraduate from Xavier's, Ranchi. So very familiar. I'm very happy that somebody from that town is so greatly, and that's one thing. Second thing is
I studied in St. Xavier's.
which you must be quite junior to me. I did my postgraduate in JV long time back. In T, I passed out, then worked in different companies. Therefore, I am now in settle. The second phase, which I wish you get into possibly, are you looking at Noida as a possible location of a center like this?
We are investigating.
Yeah, because there is a huge population here. Of course, you need to have a little.
We're doing something in Noida.
Structure will have to be different. Noida, please explore Noida.
Yeah, we will explore Noida because
in case you need any local, connect and all that, some little bit of I can provide because I know few
actually
people.
Mr. Sen, the critical part is the funding for equipments and everything because
correct.
we don't have that kind of money and everything, so it's important that we have some CSR grants and stuff for the equipment.
I'll speak to offline. I'm actually working with few NGOs otherwise, and I have few friends in NGOs. Let me see if you can be of any help to you. And otherwise, I'm taking a trial pack. I'm just going to convert into a 3 months pack. That's the I just want to. And
Mr. Sen, you are new in the community.
Correct.
Swamijit and Imoha are the background. हम लोग पीछे हैं, आप लोग आगे हैं. For wonderful members here, Rashmi aunty, Praveen aunty, and so many people who are there. Imoha is you. हम पीछे हैं, हम आपको सेवा करने के लिए बैठे हैं. आप आगे हो, ये आपकी community है. If you with 70 years experience, you have more networks and connects than I will ever have right now, right?
Yeah.
If you want to pull and make something happen.
Yeah.
We can do everything that we can want.
Right. Thank you.
Manju Arya ji, you had a question?
Okay. I joined Imoha 2 months back. I was not having all the details you told. I came to know today. Only 10-15 days back, I lost my brother and sister-in-law both. So all the facilities I was not knowing. They were in Himans hospital and due to lack of oxygen. 10 days back, both of them expired. So since then, I am really shocked, and since then, I feel like having some chest pain like that. I think it is because of the shock only. So,
Ritu, I heard her. My recommendation is आप एक बार डॉक्टर मनरीत के साथ बैनर्जी आंटी की बात करा दीजिए please, because I think having lost her brother.
Right, got it.
No, because of this shock, I was having some chest pain. Like, should I go for any checkup or because of the shock?
Auntie, अगर आपको कोई chest pain है, तो some doctor needs to speak to you, immediately after this call.
Sometimes due to that shock also this type of pain happens. So that's why I am just asking you, is there any need to check? Because I don't have any symptoms or any problem like that. Only that uneasiness.
Ranjana ji, 100%, if you're feeling uncomfortable, it is definitely recommended that you get it checked out. If it's nothing, well and good. It is only the doctor who will be able to tell you whether there's something happening or not, because we don't So best is if you get a doctor consultation done for you. Right?
So Ritu, let's summarize. Let's summarize.
Manju Arya has been wanting to ask Swamijit. Can we take the last question? And Anju ji is there.
Yeah.
Just last 2 questions we'll take. Manju ji? Manju ji, if you would unmute and ask your question, please.
हाँ रितु, मेरे को ये पूछना था कि जो भी पैसा है, मतलब इसको कैसे और कहाँ पे कैसे करना है, और जो भी टेस्ट मैंने भी स्वामी जी से पूछा था ना कि जो भी टेस्ट ब्रदर के लिए भी और हमारे लिए भी इनिशियली जरूरी है, वो कहाँ पे और क्या कौन कौन से हैं, क्योंकि रिपोर्ट सही नहीं आ रही है. रिपोर्ट यहाँ तो कोई ले ही नहीं रहा है नोएडा में, तो पैसा वेस्ट करने के बाद भी रिपोर्ट पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव आ रही है, नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव आ रही है, कुछ भी श्योर नहीं हो रहा है. तो उसके लिए ये था कि एक कंफर्मेशन हो जाए कि रिपोर्ट सही है और कहाँ पे उसको दे दें, बस ये पूछना था।
We will
और
get
ये
another. Hanji. Tests and all, we can probably get it done once again, and maybe you can get your CT scan and all, which is a much better way to find out if all is well, or maybe a chest X-ray. Because like Swamiji just mentioned, कि reports बिल्कुल सही नहीं आ रही, या पता नहीं चल रहा, या symptoms नहीं आ रहे हैं.
Right.
So what we will do is we will just circulate a list of tests which are highly recommended. So all elders can, take precautionary measures. So that along with the clinical team only, we will be able to send it. And in case you have questions and all, then definitely you can also get a doctor consultation arranged for yourself via your relationship managers.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
And
Anju ji had sorry.
Regarding money, where to?
That Somajit will be able to answer. Somajit, they want to know if they want to help out in setting up things and give money in the trust or something, where to go and how to go about it.
So in case anybody wants to contribute into the trust, we can send out a communication with the details and everything, and basis your inclination, you can do that. I can very clearly say that this is not something that, that is required. I would much rather contribute, in terms of get money from large companies which have CSR budgets. ऐसा नहीं है कि, लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं है, companies के पास पैसे हैं. If such money can be used, और government ने अभी पीछे companies we are in touch with, unki grant se we can easily create, facility like this, which is what we are doing. But if you want to contribute something, we will not say no. We'll definitely find, the right usage for that.
It would be my pleasure, Swamiji. I'll definitely.
Right.
Actually, मेरा बेटा, he is also doing the same thing ना. कहीं concentrator मंगा दिया, कहीं cylinder arrange करा रहा है, कहीं beds arrange करा रहा है. तो वो अलग अपने level पे invest कर रहा है. मैंने सोचा मैं अपने इसके साथ invest करूं, तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा था इमोहा के साथ ना. तो उसको कैसे और कितना करना है?
Swamiji.
Manju ji, if you could just
separate that, we can close it out. Okay.
कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करना, हमें एक बात कहनी है. तुम बहुत टायर्ड लग रहे हो, बहुत ज्यादा. प्लीज टेक रेस्ट एंड स्टॉप ऑल दिस. बाद में बात कर लेंगे.
नहीं, मोनाली कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
I will answer that question, Somajit.
Please.
As like you all keep asking us कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो, and I know some of you get upset also when we cannot deliver, but all know the background story. But in the background, while we all talk here, despite his parents being unwell, despite his father-in-law being unwell, him being COVID positive, he's not slept for more than 2 hours a night, practically speaking, to create this for the elders. So definitely he's looking tired, but after talking to you all, I'm sure, because he keeps
नहीं, मेरी tiredness बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है, बिल्कुल कोई tiredness नहीं है.
नहीं, एल्डर से बात करा दो. मैं एक सेकंड
नहीं पानी.
हाँ जी, but I'm just saying that for him, when he knows that he can keep you all happy and do things for you, that is his satisfaction. So, this is something
we are
for the last 2 years.
All right, then only you will be helping us. You first get.
I'm fine. Right. मैं ठीक हूँ आंटी, मैं ठीक हूँ.
नहीं स्वामी जी, really थके हुए लग रहे हो, and we wish all the best for your parents and in-laws also.
2 घंटे हो गए हैं अभी, आप बिल्कुल पानी नहीं पिए, कुछ नहीं.
God bless you. आप ठीक हो जाओ तो सभी ठीक हैं. आप ठीक हो, सभी ठीक हैं.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
No, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Just to summarize before we close, we will send you a small note which tells what is the test to be done. And then basis that follow up for anybody who is COVID positive or your immediate friends, somebody who's COVID positive, they want to take, better protection and stay in isolation hut. Please take that call now. Don't late, because वो system भर जाएगी. And third, please, this is your community. Please grow it. I would really appreciate if we can, if we can have more people. Ritu, so that any questions are there, we can. Ritu, we'll do a weekly thing on this, okay?
Right,
So that
right.
every week we can define a slot that we can have a chat together.
Right. And Soumyajit, we can also arrange one clinical session with
We'll do that.
Dr. Rohit and Manveet to answer all the medical questions because they are definitely more equipped to answer all the clinical questions. कौन से टेस्ट कराने, क्या करना जरूरत है, नहीं है, किस टेस्ट का क्या मतलब है. So we will have that in the maybe this week or the beginning of the next week, so that all your queries are answered, and we will also send a a write up on that.
Okay, thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Stay well, stay safe.
Bye,
stay smiling.
bye.
Thank you so
Stay smiling,
much.
stay safe.
so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Take rest.
Take care
lot
of
of fluids so that you are all right.